Neem oil has been used for hundreds of years to control insects, disease, and mites on plants. Derived from the neem tree seeds, neem oil is approved for organic gardening and is very popular with today's gardener. But I want to tell you about something new, something better than the neem oil you've been using. Captain Jack's NeemMax is not just a neem oil. It's a unique cold-pressed neem containing natural biological compounds like Azadirachtin. The Azadirachtin found naturally in NeemMax stops the insect life cycle and prevents eggs from hatching, giving you better control over insect populations. Our unique cold-press process refines the neem differently than other products which commonly use a hot process. Coldpress NeemMax maintains all the powerful natural ingredients of neem, yet it mixes easily with water and won't clog sprayers or hydroponic systems. And NeemMax is approved for organic gardening as well. NeemMax, with its powerful biological ingredients, controls 52 different insects, 13 foliar fungal diseases, 3 soil fungal diseases, and 7 nematodes. That's far more control than neem oil alone. NeemMax comes in a concentrate, mixes easily with water, and to be sprayed on foliage, or it can be applied to the soil to control soil diseases, parasitic nematodes, and soil insects such as those pesky fungus gnats. Use NeemMax on vegetables, fruits, flowers, ornamentals, trees, shrubs, and houseplants. Just apply according to the label directions until full control is achieved. Captain Jack's NeemMax can even be applied on your fruits and vegetables right up to the time of harvest and is the perfect solution for any organic gardener. Lawn and garden pest solutions from Bonide, trusted since 1926.